Hi guys, and welcome to my video this week. So this week is a very exciting week because next week is fall break. So Coulter and I are going on a quick little Disney trip, like the cheapest possible way we can do it. And so I wanted to share with you guys how we're doing it and everything about it. We are leaving Friday, we were flying down and we were going to the Halloween Horror Nights at Universal. I've never done that before, so I'm really excited about it. We fly out of B&A at 12:30 and we land at 3:15, and then we're going to go check into our hotel, which is not on property, and then we get to go into Halloween Horror Nights at 6 p.m. So we're going to try to get there around 5:30. So hopefully we can get in and get into all the different haunted houses. I've done so much research and I'm literally so excited. And then the next day, Saturday, we are going to do Magic Kingdom, do all the 50th anniversary celebration stuff. So it is going to be amazing and I'm so excited. So in order to cut down on costs for this trip, we are only packing in backpacks because we got a flight, I think, on Spirit. And so we are not paying their baggage fees. So we are going to just pack everything in a backpack. And so I've also done a lot of research on that. So I wanted to share with you guys how to pack for Disney for 2 days in a backpack. Let's do it. This is the backpack that I'm using. I'm gonna break it down as much as I possibly can for you guys because I've made this whole like little list of stuff and everything, so I'm gonna break it down, show you guys everything. So this is my backpack. It's my school backpack. It's got like a pretty good amount of room, so I've cleaned it out for all school stuff. So let's go ahead and we'll start with clothes. So after doing my research online, I found these packing cubes on Amazon. I've wanted packing cubes forever but never got them. So all of my clothes are actually fitting inside of this packing cube for all the time that I'm going to be there, and then this packing cube has all my toiletries and stuff in it, and these two can go into my bag perfectly, just so whenever we get there, I'm able to take them out so I can take my backpack to the park if need be. Coulter normally just carries the backpack, so with our last Disney trip, we did some trial and error on what we needed. We kind of overpacked for the last trip, so cutting down on that this trip, obviously, because last time we were there for a solid week and this time we are only going to be there for 2 days. Since we are flying in the same days we're going to Halloween Horror Nights, I've got my Halloween Horror Nights outfit that I'm going to wear on the plane. Obviously, to cut down on everything, I'm only going to bring one pair of shoes, so this is my outfit for the plane. I've obviously got that out, and then I'm going to be wearing these shoes the entire trip. Here's what it looks like. See if I can show it to you guys without. There's what it looks like. That's all my clothes in there. Obviously, I have to have clothes to sleep in. So this is my outfit to sleep in. I rolled it up. It's super tiny once I've got it all in here and everything. And then I have my outfit for Disney, which is a t-shirt that I ordered and a skirt, like a little running skirt. And then I have an extra t-shirt to come home in, an extra pair of shorts to come home in. And I also have a pair of leggings just in case I wanted to wear that on the plane instead. Also on top, I put my socks in there and my underwear. Obviously not going to need that much because we're not going to be there for that long. I am bringing a pair of ears on this trip. A lot of people say that they don't bring ears and stuff, but I am going to just slide them in the back of my the laptop compartment of my bag because I want to bring my pair of ears that I got on Etsy. I will link them. They're so cute and they're durable and they do not hurt my head, so I've ordered from this lady before. Another way that we're going to cut down on cost is food. In total, we're gonna need probably a dinner and 2 lunches because we're flying home on Sunday. We have our breakfast is included in our hotel stay. So I did pack us little bags of snacks, so hopefully that will hold us over for any of the extra time, and we might not have to spend as much money on food if we want to just like try different snacks and stuff throughout the parks. That might be good as well. So here's our snack bag, which is also going to go inside of the backpack. And then now let's get down to toiletries. So all my toiletries fit in this packing cube. I condensed my makeup down into this little bag right here. Obviously it's not closing all the way, but condensed it down all into there and only brought the bare necessities for makeup because I am still going to do my makeup while there. And then I also have a whole bag of travel size toiletries. I got dry shampoo, all my medicine, my contacts, makeup wipes, things like that, all travel size, just so that we can get through TSA. Also my toothbrush inside of this packing cube, so all of this fits nicely into another packing cube. This bag is what I will either take out and keep in my backpack or Coulter's backpack, whichever's bag goes to the park. The snack bag will also go to the park. With trial and error, we learned that we don't need to bring 2 water bottles to the park. That's another way to cut down on cost, is bringing your own water bottle. So we bring his water bottle because it doesn't sweat and it's super nice. We share it, and you were able to fill up water all around the parks. Even if you just ask for a cup of water whenever you are going around the parks, they will give it to you, and you can fill up at ice at the hotel before. Our only real costs are going to be when we get there, and it's going to be our Uber from the airport and our Ubers to both parks and from both parks, and then obviously our meals. For electronics, as far as that goes, I will be bringing my AirPods, obviously, for the airplane. I'm gonna have a charger, and then my camera battery, it lasts really long time, so I'm not gonna bring camera battery chargers. I'm just gonna make sure it's supercharged when we leave. I'm not gonna bring my laptop because I really don't think I'm gonna need my laptop or have time to get on my laptop. It is my fall break, so I am gonna kind of just step away from school and everything like that. So ready to get going and get on the road and start the Disney vlogs and the Halloween Horror Nights vlogs, because these are going to both be super special vlogs. So it's going to be super fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this today, and be on the lookout on my Instagram and my TikTok and everything for play-by-play updates of what we're doing in our days. So let's get going, and if you just can't wait any longer, go and watch my last Disney vlogs. Yes, we did just get back from Disney in August for my birthday, so I have a couple birthday vlogs up for you guys that it would be super fun to go watch. And then so now the other vlogs are coming soon, so can't wait. I'll see you guys in Disney and Universal.